My name is Corby Schrader. I work for Whirlpool Corporation in Greenville as a lean manufacturing manager. Whirlpool Corporation is the global leader in manufacturing both home appliances as well as small appliances. Currently, Whirlpool Corporation is the largest employer for manufacturing within Ohio. Probably the most iconic product that we make is the KitchenAid stand mixer. The stand mixer has really been around for almost a century, and it's a product that people are really passionate about. Currently, we paint over 70 different colors of stand mixers for all of our trade partners. From the KitchenAid stand mixer, we've innovated past with blenders, hand mixers, as well as attachments for those products. Every day in manufacturing, there's issues that arise, and you have to have quick problem-solving skills to be able to address those issues in a timely manner. Essentially, if a line is down, if a product can't be produced, those are dollars that impact the bottom line. So it's really critical to be able to diagnose an issue, address that issue, and come up with the best solution at that time. Lean manufacturing really goes down to the nuts and bolts to a process. So really you're trying to break down what is the best possible way of assembling a part or a gear or doing your job day in and day out. My typical day usually consists of a lot of time spending on a shop floor as well as an assembly line. What we try to do is get a team involved, which is made up of shop floor associates as well as engineers, really dig into details to multiple processes on an assembly line. We use standard work, time studies to really analyze each person's role, each person's function, analyze the data, analyze movements, and create the best possible process. As a subset to my current role with the company, we really focus on training and developing associates within the organization. That includes shop floor associates, really investing time in their abilities, as well as investing time in what their best skill set is. So where can we really grow and develop that associate to ultimately put them in the best position, not only for Whirlpool, but also for their career. We spend a lot of time on development as well as cost optimization, and those are really two items that are linked. If you can develop more people within your manufacturing site, you ultimately have more people that are capable of driving improvements within your organization. My background's in electrical engineering. I graduated from The Ohio State University. I spent about 4 years in college. During my time in college, I also worked for Whirlpool Corporation with internships my sophomore, junior, and senior year. I'm originally from Ottawa, Ohio. I grew up in a fairly large family. I had 12 brothers and sisters. Growing up, we weren't always fortunate enough to be able to pay for somebody to come in and repair a dishwasher, a car that needed repaired. So my dad, my brothers got a lot of interest in working with our hands. So at an early age, I was really interested in problem solving, really digging into an issue and finding a way of solving the problem. During high school, my favorite classes revolved around numbers and math. I really enjoyed algebra and geometry specifically, where you take an abstract problem, there's multiple ways to solve it, and ultimately it's up to you to come up with that best solution. Within my current role as a lean manufacturing manager, my day revolves quite a bit around my existing project with the plant expansion. I spend quite a bit of time with the construction team, looking over critical milestones from a schedule perspective, and really getting into the details from a budgetary perspective.
So a little bit ahead of schedule, because we were targeting that mid-May.
Knowing that we have $20 million to spend on construction, we want to make sure we're spending those dollars in the right manner. The project should be completed in July in hopes of creating over 400 jobs over the next 4 years for the community.
Thank you.
I remember when I was in high school, and I was very worried about that first job I was going to go into outside of college, and I thought at that time I had to know exactly what I wanted to do. Within Whirlpool, I've worked at 6 of their facilities over the last 8 years, which has given me a great opportunity to kind of test that market, really understand what do I truly like to do.
Well, great job, guys. Appreciate all the hard work.
What I'm really passionate about within my current role is really being around a lot of great people and a great environment within Whirlpool Corporation, specifically here in Greenville. Outside of that, I really love the challenge of manufacturing small appliances. It's a very competitive market, and being the global leader is something that you strive to keep and really grow.